At approximately 318 times as massive as the Earth, Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and averages around 484 million miles from our star. It also averages 444 million miles from the Earth. Jupiter has the shortest day in the solar system, taking only around 10 hours for it to complete one spin, and completes one orbit around the Sun in one Jovian year, equivalent to 12 Earth years. As its equator is only tilted 3 degrees relative to its orbital path around the Sun, Jupiter does not experience as extreme seasons as other planets. Unlike the 4 inner rocky planets, Jupiter is a gas planet and therefore has no surface in which to land on. However, you wouldn't just be able to pass through it like a plane through clouds, as the deeper you delve into Jupiter, the greater the atmospheric pressure would become. In fact, Jupiter has a similar composition to that of the Sun, being made mostly of hydrogen and helium. As the pressure and the temperature of Jupiter's atmosphere continues to increase, the further you venture down, it compresses hydrogen gas into a liquid. This gives Jupiter the largest ocean in the solar system, an ocean not made of water but of hydrogen. Scientists have reason to believe that about halfway to the planet's centre, the pressure becomes so great it squeezes the electrons off hydrogen atoms, making it able to conduct electricity just like a metal. It is still unclear if Jupiter has a solid core or if it is a super hot and dense liquid. The temperature at the core could be as high as 50,000 degrees C and be made up of iron and silicate minerals. The appearance of Jupiter is a mixture of colourful cloud bands and spots. The gas planet likely has 3 layers to its roughly 44-mile skies. The top cloud is probably made of ammonia ice, while the middle layer is likely made of ammonia hydrosulfide crystals, and the innermost layer may be made of water ice and vapour. The most famous feature on Jupiter is known as the Great Red Spot. This is a swirling oval cloud that has been observed for the last 300 years, and is twice as wide as Earth. Teams observing the spot have been able to say with some certainty that the spot could go down to a depth of around 300 miles from the cloud tops. There have been a number of spacecraft to visit Jupiter over the years, including Pioneer 10, 11, Voyager 1, Voyager 2, Galileo, Ulysses, Cassini, New Horizons and Juno, with Juno still orbiting Jupiter today. There are also a number of future missions planned to the gas giant. Jupiter has 80 moons, with 4 large moons and many smaller ones. This makes Jupiter almost like a miniature solar system. The 4 largest moons are Io, Europa, Ganymede and Callisto. These are some extremely interesting places. Io is the most volcanically active body in the solar system, Ganymede being the largest moon in the solar system, even bigger than the planet Mercury. Callisto's very few small craters indicate a small degree of current surface activity, and a liquid water ocean with the ingredients for life may lie beneath the frozen crust of Europa, making it a very tempting place to explore. With these 4 moons having so much about them to be discovered, we will cover each of them on an individual basis another day. With Jupiter drawing significant interest from space agencies and with plenty of future missions to come, over time we shall uncover many of the gas giant's secrets that currently elude us. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next one.